Going concern concept. The concept of going concern assume that business firm would continue to carry out its operation indefinitely. So going concern concept we are understanding, and first line it says that going concern assume that business will continue for indefinitely. वो ऐसा बोल रहा है कि बिजनेस हमेशा के लिए चलेगा, कभी बंद नहीं होने वाला है. सो दैट इज गोइंग कंसर्न मीन्स हमेशा के लिए गो ऑन रहेगा. और अदर वे फेयरली लॉन्ग पीरियड एंड टाइम वुड नॉट लिक्विडेट इन फोर्सिएबल फ्यूचर मीन्स नियर बाय फ्यूचर ऐसा कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है या ऐसी कोई रिस्क नहीं है जिससे जिससे बिजनेस बंद हो सकता है. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट गोइंग कंसर्न इज. दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट assumption of accounting. It's provide very long, very basic for showing the value of assets in the balance sheet. So it's very basic assumption, one of the basic assumptions, and it's provide confidence to the stakeholders. And we discuss what is the stakeholder. I think I can explain you again what is the stakeholder. Stakeholder is including the shareholders. So whoever involved in a with the company, it's creditors, debtors, the shareholders, the tax authorities, the customers, all are the stakeholders. We can include, we can list out the many things, but these are the big example. Okay, so now we go on. Assets may be defined a bundle of services. When a purchase, when we purchase an asset, for example, a personal computer for sum of 50,000, what we are buying is really the services of computer that we shall be getting over its estimated lifespan, say 5 years. So it will not fair to charge the whole amount of 50,000 for a revenue from the revenue of the year in which assets is purchased. Instead, that part of assets which has been consumed or used during the period should be charged in the revenue of that period. This assumption regarding the continuing theory of account. A continuing of business allow us to charge from a revenue from one period of from revenue of the period only that part of assets which has been consumed or used in that revenue in that period and carry forward the remaining amount to the next year over estimated useful life of assets. Thus, we may charge 15,000 for 5 years from profit and loss account. In case in continuity assumption is not there, the whole amount of 50,000 present example will need to be charged from revenue of in which it is purchased. Okay, so it's too confusing. I will explain you in my own language. So assumed same example 50,000 assets we have purchased and the life of that assets is 5 years. Okay, so हम 5 साल यूज़ करने वाले उस assets को. Assuming we are using equally for 5 years, so benefit हमको 10,000 each year मिलेगा. We will get 10,000 benefit each year. Okay, now thing is we cannot expense out whole 50,000 of expense in a 1 year because benefit भी हमको अलग अलग मिलने वाला है अलग अलग साल में. ओके, अलग अलग साल में मिलने वाला है year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4 एंड year 5. सो हम जिस जिस साल में बेनिफिट मिलेगा उस साल में हम उसको एक्सपेंस आउट करेंगे. पहले साल 10,000 कर दिया, रिमेनिंग 40,000 रहेगा. दूसरे साल 10,000 कर दिया, रिमेनिंग 30,000 रहेगा. तीसरे साल 10,000 कर दिया, 20,000 रहेगा. चौथे साल 10,000 कर दिया, 10,000 रहेगा. और पाँचवें साल 0 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट इज़ व्हाट इज सेइंग. बट ये कब कर सकते हैं? जब हमको लगेगा कि we will able to continue business for at least next 5 year, and this next 5 year assumption is nothing but going concern assumption. That is what is this whole two para is saying. It's too confusing. You don't read this para, you just understand this concept, and you can write your own language, simple language. Thank you so much.